Hey people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, please do where to follow. May God bless you as you do so. And for those that are following already, thank you very much. God bless you. So this video is a tutorial of how to use your Ankara to style a beautiful ikele. Yes, who said we cannot use your Ankara to style yourself? It's very easy, guys, It's very easy and beautiful. You can wear it to church, party, anywhere you want. You can even tie it at home if you wish. Alright guys, let me leave you to watch it so you can understand it better. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Bye.